Nike's classic color blocking has allowed the Air Force 1 Low to endure, and the most recent iteration for Fall 2025 successfully blends sportiness and understatement. The classic gum rubber outsole of this new pair, which is dressed in a combination of light smoke gray suede and deep navy accents, keeps everything grounded. The top is dressed in subtle gray suede, with smooth leather discreetly showing on the eyestays and perforated leather at the toe box. To create contrast, navy blue is used on the tongue tags, flat woven laces, and profile swooshes. The classic design is preserved with a white midsole. The element that stands out is a full gum rubber outsole, which offers a retro look that pays homage to decades of Air Force 1 history. The silhouette is approached simply yet effectively, providing a blend of wearability and seasonal appeal without significantly departing from the DNA that has made the Air Force 1 a timeless mainstay. This fall, Nike.com and a few other outlets should see the release of the Air Force 1 Low Light Smoke Gray and Gum.